Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody had a very happy Thanksgiving and a very safe Black Friday. It is now Saturday, so the little rush is over, but you know, we're just getting started, y'all, so just be sure to be safe. And so guys, today we got a variation of the BoxyLuxe December box, and I'm going to show y'all what that is. There's two things in here we haven't never seen before. So if you're excited for this video, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Turn that bell on. That way you're notified every time I come out with a spoiler, y'all. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, guys, let's read the first comment from my last video, which was spoilers for all the December BoxyCharm boxes, y'all. Congratulations, Tattooed Mama. Tattooed Mama says, first, love your channel, girl. Happy holidays to everyone. I have a channel as well and am doing some giveaways, so hope to see some of y'all enter. Y'all, I'm going to link Tattooed Mama down below. Go check her out and enter her giveaway, guys. Maybe y'all can win something for the holidays. And Tattooed Mama, thank you so much, honey. I really do appreciate this. I also took the liberty of going on over and checking out your channel, and I hit your subscribe button, honey. I really did enjoy it, and I really, really appreciate you supporting my channel. And thank you so much, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we'll just go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you this box. Here it is, y'all. Here it is in all of its glory. Again, you're going to get 9 items in your BoxyLuxe December box. I'm going to show you what's in this box and show you what the 2 items that we have never seen before might be a variation with. Because, you know, it's the only 2 things that are out of the box. So the first thing we see in here is the Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose palette. The next thing is the Fresh Beauty Soy Cleanser, which we know is coming in all boxes. The next thing, they have the variation of the Too Faced Rich and Dazzling Gloss. Now, you know it was either between the gloss and the Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick. Now, the next thing we see in this box is the Ciate London Confetti Highlight. You know, you was either getting that or the Ciate London, what was it? Illuminated Marbled Blush or something like that. The next thing is the Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Now, you know you was going to get that, or the Saturday Skin Waterfall Water Cream or whatever that was. The next thing we see in this box is the Cosmetics Crystal Dermal Roller. Now, you know it was in between that and the QMS Lip Liner. And the next thing we see in this variation is the M Greengrass Dry Hair Oil. And the next thing, now these are the 2 items I saved for last because these are the ones we haven't seen yet. The first thing is the Daily Concepts Hair Towel. Now, the only thing I could think that this could be a variation of is either you'll get that hair towel or you're going to get the IGK Detox Dry Shampoo. Now, that has not been confirmed, but that's the only 2 hair things in that, so I'm assuming. Now, the next thing that we see in this variation is the Power Up Spray. And the other thing that is missing in this box is the Kat Von D Dagger Tattooed Liner. So those 2 might be a variation as well. But of course, as soon as they come out with anything else, I'm going to keep you guys updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations, Diana Followell. I think that's how you say that. Probably not, but don't you come after me, Diana, because I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, Diana says, hi, happy Thanksgiving. Well, Diana, I hope you had a very happy Thanksgiving too and a very safe Black Friday. Like I said, you know, this is just a mess during the holidays. I don't never get out there in it. But Diana, I really do appreciate you at least taking the time to sit down and watch and supporting my videos. I mean, it means so much to me. And I love you so much, Diana. Thank you, honey. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribing. If you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, y'all, so you gotta take it. Just go on down there and hit that button. Then you're gonna need to rate the video. But you're only gonna have one option, y'all. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch every one of these spoilers. And guys, another thing, I do a lot of other videos, you know, with myself in it. I do other videos other than spoilers. So go check them out, y'all. Give me some love on those other videos. You know, they just don't get as much love as these spoilers. And, you know, and it's just hurtful. It's just hurtful, y'all. But that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.